How's it going, guys? It's Jacob here with the Helmet Center, and today we're taking a look at our 2018 RZR 900 EPS 4-seater. Just got it in. Very cool color, nice and simple. We just put some brand new tires on it as well as some new wheels. So brand new tires and wheels from Quad Boss. We also hooked up a Quad Boss LED light bar across the front of it, along with this top piece as well for the top. So the dune season is coming up. This would be a awesome toy to take out there with the family. Throw the kids in the back. We also can get rugged radio systems, get it installed before the dune season coming up. Let's check out the inside here. It is a pre-owned RZR. Pretty clean though. Got the factory seats. Back is nice and clean. Again, those tires are pretty beefy looking. You get the back here. Get up under here for you guys. It's got a nice stance to it. Let's go ahead and fire up. The dash rate at 3,338 miles. Alright, I think she is in park. There's also a toggle switch for the light bar on the inside here. Right there. See, it's on now, lit up red. And this thing is bright. Definitely give you some visibility at night in the desert, at the dunes, or even on the street around town. But yeah, guys, go ahead and check out our website at htpowersports.com for more information on this side-by-side. The price will be listed there. But yeah, overall very clean side-by-side. Again, it's a 900 4-seater. Be a fun toy to take the family out. If you got any questions on it, feel free to call us at 623-444-4789. Thanks.